Good morning, everybody. Today I'll be taking you on English language, and the topic for today will be adjunct. My name is Adoramike Ebere Flores. For my learning objective, I expect that at the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the features of an adjunct. They should be able to list the forms and functions of adjunct and make sentence with the adjunct. What is an adjunct? An adjunct is an optional or structurally dispensable part of a sentence, clause, or phrase that, if removed or discarded, will not otherwise affect the remainder of the sentence. Its omission still leaves a complete sentence. Example we have in the sentence, John helped Bill in Central Park on Sunday. The phrase in Central Park and on Sunday are adjuncts. Like I said here, when you remove an adjunct from a sentence, the sentence still retains its meaning. The only thing is that the adjunct adds additional meaning to the sentence. That is why we can say John helped Bill, and we have a correct sentence. The addition of in Central Park is just showing us the place, and on Sunday is showing us the time. That's why we say if you remove the adjunct in the Central Park on Sunday, it will not affect the meaning of the sentence. Now, an adjunct can be a single word, it can be a phrase, or an entire clause. Example, we have she will leave tomorrow. She will leave tomorrow. Tomorrow is a single word. She will leave in the morning. In the morning is a phrase. She will leave after she had her breakfast. After she had her breakfast is a clause. So from this you can see that an adjunct can be a single word, it can be a phrase, and it can be an entire clause. Now, what are the types of adjuncts? Types of adjunct. Number one, we have adjunct of reason. Adjunct of reason. Example, the ladder collapsed because it was old. The ladder collapsed because it was old. Why did the ladder collapse? It collapsed because it was old. So the adjunct here is adjunct of reason. We also have adjunct of concession. Adjunct of concession. Example, Eunice went out although it was raining. Eunice went out although it was raining. Concession. Number three, we have adjunct of condition. Adjunct of condition. Example, I will go to Paris if I had the money. I would go to Paris if I had the money. Condition. What condition? Why will I go to, or what condition will I go to Paris if I had the money? That is adjunct of condition. Adjunct of results. Adjunct of result. Number four, it rained so hard that the streets flooded. Why? What happened when it rained so hard? It rained so hard that the streets flooded. So street becoming flooded is the result of the rain. Number five, the fifth type of adjunct is adjunct of purpose. Adjunct of purpose. Example, he works a lot to earn money for school. He works a lot to earn money for school. Why did he work a lot? He works a lot to earn money for school. Number six adjunct is adjunct of manner. Adjunct of manner. He ran with difficulty. Manner. How did he run? He ran with difficulty. Then number seven, we have adjunct of time. Adjunct of time. Example, he arrived yesterday. Time. Yesterday is showing time. He arrived when? Yesterday. And then we also have the adjunct of frequency. Adjunct of frequency. She drinks in that bar every day. Frequency. She drinks in that bar every day. Now from this, I expect you to have been able to understand what an adjunct is, and then to be able to give me examples of adjuncts and be able to make sentences showing adjuncts. Here I have my class exercise. It says underline adjuncts in the sentences. So I want you to try yourself and see if you can be able to identify the adjuncts in these sentences. I hope I'm able to put you through on the topic adjunct, and you'll be able to do justice to the class exercise. Thank you very much. I hope to get a feedback from you later. Thank you. See you next time.